In this video, you'll learn how to disable your Binance account. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to either temporarily disable or permanently close your account, ensuring you understand the implications of each choice. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. From the profile menu, select Security Settings. You will find options such as Account Management, Disable Account, or Close Account, depending on the version of the platform you are using. Keep in mind that Binance will require you to complete a security verification process. Ensure you have access to your email and two-factor authentication device during this process. It is advisable to avoid using public Wi-Fi to maintain your account security. After accessing the security settings, look for the option to disable your account or close it permanently. If you choose to disable your account temporarily, select that option. If you want to proceed with a permanent closure, ensure you select the appropriate choice. Binance may prompt you to confirm your reasons for disabling or closing the account. Additionally, check for any open orders, loans, or remaining balances. It is crucial to cancel any open orders and resolve any margin loans before moving forward. If you have any remaining assets in your account, make sure to withdraw or transfer them out before you continue. Proceed only when your account is free of any obligations. Next, you will need to complete all required verifications. This may include entering a one-time password sent to your email, an SMS code, and a code from your Authenticator app. After completing these verifications, pay attention to any final warning messages that may appear. It is important to read these carefully before submitting your request. Once you are ready, submit the request to disable or close your account. Keep in mind that Binance may implement a cooldown period or conduct an additional review based on your account activity post-submission. After you submit your request, it is recommended to log out of your account. If you see any confirmation records or messages, be sure to save them for your records. In the event that you encounter restrictions preventing you from disabling your account, you can reach out to Binance support. This option is available in the same account settings area you accessed earlier, ensuring you can get assistance directly related to your account issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.